In an organic home gardening, pest controlling is vital for better results. I'm using this method for more than 2 years in my garden, and it's very effective in gardening. Pests or insects will not be killed and they just repel in this method. If you can remove the pests or insects by water or rubbing by your hand, always that would be the first option before using this. Always use a light soap powder. Add half a spoon for soap powder for a 1 liter of water. Neem oil, you can buy it from any garden shop. Neem oil is not soluble in water, and if you shake properly, then only it will dissolve for a temporary period. Therefore, the mixture should always be shaken before spraying to the plants. First, you have to fill 500 ml into the spray bottle, and then you have to put around 10 to 20 ml of neem oil into that. Now put half a teaspoon of light soap powder into that. Now fill the full 1 liter bottle. Adjust the spray bottle nozzle to spray like a mist before spraying it into the plant. Always shake the bottle before spraying to plants. It has to be sprayed on both sides of the leaves for better effectiveness. The evening is the best time to spray this, so the solution will remain in the leaves for a long period. Use it every 5 days time for better results, and you can use it for any vegetable plant. You can use this even in the early stages of the plants. And unlike other repellents, you can use it again and again without a problem for your plants. And always recommend that you use this before a disease comes. Keep in touch by subscribing to my channel for more gardening videos. Thank you and happy gardening.